Great news! With just these 6 simple habits, you can say goodbye to more than 70% of diseases. They're incredibly simple yet effective. You won't believe it. 1. Eat only when you're hungry. 2. Take small bites and chew slowly. 3. Place a pinch of salt on your tongue before eating. 4. Stop eating before you feel full. 5. Avoid drinking water between meals. Say goodbye to ice-cold water and minimize the consumption of cold water as much as possible. And lastly, eat a pinch of salt or a small amount of sweet like dates to complete the process. But why do these methods work? They all contribute to the production of a health elixir in our bodies, our saliva. When we're so hungry and eat, our saliva production increases. Salt on the tongue stimulates saliva production, and chewing small bites and slowly results in more saliva. However, water, by rinsing and omitting saliva, just wastes all the hard work. If we haven't eaten enough, saliva is waiting for more food and secretes to do its job. Salt and sweetness are the finishing touch, facilitating saliva flow and warming up the stomach for better digestion. That's why they say the cure for our health lies within us. We needn't search for external treatments. The medicine is our saliva. Saliva is a valuable remedy for wounds, so make the most of it, stimulate its production, and let it work. Be cautious, though, as ice-cold water can be harmful. It freezes the salivary glands, hindering their function. In some cases, it may even block them, so don't overindulge in ice cream either. Now, why saliva? Saliva acts like a bodyguard, keeping out all the nasty stuff and germs from entering our body system. It has a bunch of digestive enzymes that do more than half of the digestion work right in your mouth, giving your intestines a break. You know, most of the time, the root of many diseases starts in the stomach, and when food combines with saliva, it transforms into a healing medication. It's a real lifesaver for mouth sores and fights tooth decay like a boss. So, don't underestimate saliva, my friend. It's a big deal. Fascinating, right? Stick around, as I have plenty more traditional medical tips like this. Don't miss out.